As you can see, now we are to discuss regarding factors influencing teaching. Whenever we are discussing factor influencing teaching, we have to remember each and every aspect related to teaching. As we have defined teaching to bipolar and tripolar. So these are the factors that influence teaching. If you will peep into the curriculum given for UGC NET examination of education, you will find that factors affecting teaching has been categorized under certain subheads. We have also categorized factor influencing teaching under certain heads, but instead of affecting we are using the word influencing. Affecting is always being used in negative sense, so that is not a good word. Influencing, it has its positive impact in some way or other, and if some negative aspect is also there, that is also being covered under the concept of influencing. One thing more, as we have already discussed in other lectures, that teaching and learning are inseparable. Teaching is meaningful only if we yield optimum learning through teaching. So whenever we will compare the factors affecting teaching and factor influencing learning, you can find many factors overlapping. So no need to confuse. This is because the basic relationship between teaching and learning. In this part of the lecture, we shall be talking only about the important factors we have undertaken. So the first factor is in terms of teacher related, you can see. And whenever we are talking teacher, you can understand teacher's personality, overall personality, in which his knowledge, his communication skill, which we will discuss in detail in other part. Learner related. How far the learner is willing to learn and how he or she is concentrated a lot during the process of teaching will influence the level of the teaching. Then we shall categorize the factor influencing teaching in another category, that is process related. And as you can see, teaching, learning, and if the teaching, learning between two ends, at least two ends, are going on, it means there is a concept of process. And in the process, as a concept, teacher is there, learner is there, and teaching, learning process is there in which the communication is going on. And more than this process, there is another concept, that is environment. So another factor which we are going to undertake under the head factor influencing teaching is environment related. And we have already discussed on another forum that this environment related factor is an umbrella factor, is a covering factor. So at the end of the lecture, we shall be taking the last type, that is material related. Material related, it means how many facilities, which type of facilities are there in order to facilitate teaching. So we shall be discussing one by one all these 5 factors: teacher related, learner related, process related, environment related, and material related. So factor influencing teaching will be discussed one by one under 5 subheads: teacher related, learner related, process related, environment related and material related. In another part of lecture, we shall start factor influencing teaching afresh under the head teacher related factor. So, thank you.